Hello, everybody. Today we are talking about the AI Builder. So, Lara, what is exactly the AI Builder?
It's a new capability that Databricks has released very recently. As you can see here, it says that it's still in beta, so they're still working on it. You may see some changes. In a nutshell, what it does is providing, as you can see here, a simple no-code approach to building AI agent systems. So here we have the documentation with all the requirements on how to do this. Make sure first that you have Unity Catalog enabled on your workspace and that you're in one of the supported regions. Hopefully, they're going to expand to more regions afterwards. And then you need just some data that you're going to have in a Unity Catalog volume. And then you can just follow it step by step on how to do this. So if we follow this step by step, they say that you should go to this new tab. They just added it called AI Builder. And then you just click here on information extraction. And so here you just provide like unstructured data that they're going to convert. And so you can go into your source documents. So I don't know, for example, here I could go into
So, you need
this.
to already have it in a volume, I guess, or somewhere in
Yes,
UC.
exactly. So you need to have it in a volume. So here, I don't know, like I can't remember which. I have a lot
At
of,
a volume?
yeah, this one. So for example, here I just uploaded a lot of different markdown files that have like just lots of random information around like streaming, change data feed, etc., etc. And then I just pasted an example JSON output. So here I just followed the like instructions in the documentation. Make sure, by the way, that you look at the supported format. They put all the supported files here. So here, for example, I just took the dot markdown. And in the sample output field, you give an example response. So here, I think what I did was give title, summarize in one line what the document is about, category, and then give a summary of what the document was about. And once you take that and you add it here and modify as you see fit, then you give a name to your agent and you can just create it. They also show you an example here of what that can look like. So example of data from contracts and then the response that you want to get. And then I just created it and then it takes just a few minutes for the agent to be created and you get to this nice little interface. And so no code, obviously, and you can give it like a specific instruction. So for example, here I could say, hey, you're a Databricks expert and you can answer questions on Databricks. So here for this particular text, for example, which is, I think it's my notes from when I did like some classes on Databricks Academy around streaming, etc. It's the model output was stream joins and statefulness. The category is spark structured streaming, and then it gave a nice little summary here.
Excellent.
And then here you can give some schema definition, title, category, and summary. And you can give recommendations on how to boost your agent's performance and
So, then
evaluate.
you just give the input, what you kind of expect as an output, and then it auto optimizes the process behind the scenes on how it should do that.
Yes, and then you can just update your agent. Then you have an option to review it, and you can update it and iterate on it. I haven't played with it further, but then here, if you want more information, you can look at how you can improve the agent, how you want it to behave, etc. And then from there, you can use your agent from the SQL editor. You can use AI query. We've done some videos, I think, on how to use those functions to query LLM. So here you can leverage the agent that you just defined. And also, I thought it was quite interesting. You have this optional option of optimizing your agent if you want. They say it can take about an hour. And then you can review to again compare like your old agent with your optimized agent, see which one you want to keep, etc. And again, optional step of reviewing and deploying the optimized agent. And then a list of limitations. For example, recommendation to have at least 1,000 documents if you want to optimize. Some limitation on, like how large the document can be, etc. And just one note, workspaces that use private link are not supported for now.
Yes, I guess it's a beta feature, so not yet.
Exactly. So yeah, that's about it in a nutshell.
Thanks, Lara.